There are a couple of options which are available to open a new workbook in Excel. You right click on the desktop, New, Excel, create a new workbook. Other option is this start menu. We'll write Excel, click on Excel, again a new workbook for us. There are few things which I want to discuss. This is a formula bar or function bar. We can see the content of a cell, or we can edit this content also, or of any cell. This is a name box. We can see the address of a cell. Right now you can see it is A1 because we are standing on A1. If I click on any other cell, you can see that I'm standing on F9, which is F column and 9th row. These are the tabs: Home tab, Insert tab, Page layout, Formulas and all. Under each tab we have a lot of options. Under these options you can see it is written as Clipboard, Font, Alignment. These are all groups. Under the Home tab we have a number group and we have all the options related to that group. Again, same way, Insert, Table, Illustrations, Charts and so on. And this whole thing is known as a ribbon. If you want to minimize this whole ribbon, you can click on this up arrow, it will get minimized, and vice versa to maximize it. This is a quick access toolbar where you can see save, undo, redo options. Under this you have this drop down arrow where you can create or add more commands to it. If I click on it, if I want to add any command, I click on cut, we can click on add and OK. So this cut command will get added into it. This is a status bar where you can see that ready is written. It means that Excel is ready to take actions from you. If I press F2 in any cell, you can see that edit is written because we are now in editing mode. There are few view options available. You can see that this is a normal view, page layout and page preview that we're going to see in printing options. This is zoom in, zoom out options available. And if you want to find any help from Excel, in that case you can click on this question mark, or you can press F1 on your keyboard. If I click on this question mark and if I type in, for example, keyboard shortcut, let's say keyboard shortcuts, and if I press enter, you can see the list of options which are available from this help menu. And if I click on this keyboard shortcuts in Excel 2010, I can have a list of all the shortcuts which are available in 2010 that you can make a use of. The last point of this whole window is this file tab. If I click on it, you can see a lot of options are coming. Under this you can see this options, and again this is to customize the whole Excel program. Whenever you open new workbook, you have 3 number of worksheets with you. If you want, you can change that number from here. You can see if I click on this, you can see that it is from 1 to 255, any number you can give. And if I say put it at 10, and if I press OK, and whenever I open a new workbook in the future, I can have that number of worksheets. And the shortcut which I have used for opening a new workbook is Control N. Thank you.